Good morning, guys. Starting off the day, we are hiking over here in Blue Ridge, Georgia area.
It's 2.75.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think if it matters which way we start. Probably
On this
not.
trip, we're going to be visiting a few places that we have visited before, and we're going to show you how we found them on the internet. Yeah, so we are hiking now. Just as a way of relaxing. I think it's gonna be a theme of the day. Just taking it easy today. Not so sure how you take it, hiking if it's relaxing, but it is relaxing to us. So that's why we're doing it. Over the years, we have visited a few hike trails that have been so good for our dogs, and this is one of them. What are you smelling? What'd you find? Let's go. Oh, I found an egg.
We've been watching this cooking show where these people are in British Columbia and Canada, and they basically go out into the wild for like 3 days and have to pick all their food from the wild and then cook it. In the first episode, they were like using pine needles as like an herb. I thought it was interesting.
Show us the pine needles.
So like if you take these, and then if you kind of break them open, they smell very piney.
Yeah.
Smells good.
And I would imagine this trail is crowded during the weekends. There are not so many people now because we came here on a weekday. So this trail is 2.7 miles, and then somewhere down the trail back there, my watch gives me a notification that walking has been recording since the last 18 minutes. I was like, okay, sure. So far we've covered 0.63 miles, so which is pretty cool. I have an outdoors app that records walking and whatever exercise that you do. Before we embark on any hike trail, we like to do a little research on using our trail app on how long each trail is, and sometimes maybe even how crowded it is because of the dogs. We refresh and change, ate, and the boys are put away. I hope they get some rest. We are going to Copper Hill, Tennessee. It's like 15 minutes from here. So, yeah. We're gonna go have a drink over there and walk around and check out the place. See if there's anything new.
Yeah, hopefully there's something new. We go there every time we come, so. But we know people there too.
Alright guys, so we are in Copper Hill, Tennessee. We're gonna go to Copper Hill Brewing Company. Then we'll go to our friend's bar over there, Backboard Brewing Company after that.
G50. G50.
So a man and his wife go to see the oncologist, and the man says, he says, Doc, I just decided to let it run its course. I'm not going to treat it at all. And his wife says, you know, I still wish we could talk about this a little more. And the man says, nope, I've made my decision. My decision is final. And the doctor says, well, I think you should listen to your wife. After all, she's the one with cancer.
Alright guys, we're done playing bingo at Backboard Brewing Company. That was a lot of fun. What do you think, baby?
Yeah, there's a bingo right down the street from us, I think. I always keep thinking we should go.
Down the street from us?
Yeah, it's probably a lot of old people in Florida.
What? Oh, you mean in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you mean at our spot over there.
No.
Anyway, yeah, that was fun. So yeah, we're going back home. We're gonna go relax and just chill.
Yeah,
Alright guys, it's evening. Amanda's making us some soup. We just came back from Backboard Brewing Company. It was nice. Bingo was fun. it's always fun when we end up at that place because we always end up meeting some cool people and stuff. We enjoy meeting Clay and Patrick, one of the owners of the Backboard Brewing Company. It's always fun, man. Like the place is just very. It has such good vibes, man. I enjoy hanging out there.
It was nice that there were people there because we were a little worried it was going to be really quiet because it's Monday, but there's tons of people there, all the locals playing bingo. And we sat with them and we had a good time.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow it'll be a big day of an adventure just for the two of us. We're gonna leave the dogs at home. And then just the two of us, we're gonna adventure and then go to some wineries. Yeah, for now, we will check out and we will see you guys tomorrow. Right with me? Peace.
Good morning. We found this really cool waterfall on Instagram on I think it was on the Georgia Hikes page. It's in Toccoa Falls, so about an hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours from here. So we're gonna go down there, check out the area, take some pictures, and then we're gonna go to some of our favorite wineries.
So a lot of these wineries that we're gonna go to, we've been to it a few times so far because we wanted to try something new, but a lot of them are closed today, being a Tuesday. So we're just gonna stick to what we know and what we like, and then we'll come back to this part of town and relax. All right, so we are in a small town called Toccoa. We're here to see North Georgia's famous Toccoa Falls. We've seen a lot of Instagrammers take pictures of it and take pictures on it and whatever. So yeah, we're here for that. Wow, this is it. Famous Toccoa Falls.
It's easy to get to.
Yeah, it is.
Park and walk around the corner.
Yeah, I know.
It's in a college though, so.
Yeah, it's in a college. I don't know what the name of this college is. Yeah.
It's cool though.
So, but yeah, definitely it's one of the most amazing waterfalls despite its location. It's not like necessarily like in the wild, it's like hidden behind a college. But there you have it. We found this waterfall on Instagram in the North Georgia page. Many people visit this waterfall. And if you want to have the best done, just like the picture, I would recommend you come here during the week. It's kind of popular in the North Georgia scene.
Yeah, I think it's a cool spot. I mean, I think it's worth coming to.
It is worth coming to, yeah. Definitely, it is a popular waterfall because a lot of people take turns and come in and take pictures and whatever. Then there's people that let their kids just wander about and jump on every rock, and then you get pissed off because you're trying to take a picture and you're waiting for this damn kid to get out of the way. But it's all good though. We are headed to a winery after this. Go check out a few of our favorite wineries. Yeah?
And a drink. It's beautiful out. It'll be a nice day to sit outside and have a drink.
Yeah.
We're at Sanita Vineyards. It's our favorite winery to come to. That view across the way.
Yeah, amazing view right there. Yeah, we love coming here. This is our third time ever making a vlog coming here.
Third?
Yeah.
What's it?
Is it third? Yeah, I think third. But anyway, we're gonna link the videos that would be that show us being here in the description down below. So yeah. We love this winery for its beautiful views, and most importantly for its wine and hospitality. We found it a while ago while hiking. We searched on Google for wineries near me, and then we found this one.
So we just left Sonita Winery and Vineyard.
Amanda's terrified by bees. So we're at Tesnati Brewery and they got a bee thing inside. We'll show you guys in a little bit.
Tesnati Winery.
Huh?
Eatery and winery.
Yeah.
Not a brewery.
Why are you terrified of bees?
I'm not terrified of them, but I don't want to sit there while they're swarming around me.
They're not gonna bother you, they're working.
I don't care. Fly in my drink and then I'll drink one by mistake and get stung in the mouth. That's what'll happen.
You gonna pick one?
I've never seen grapes like this. Have you?
Like what? On the tree?
Yeah, whenever we come, there's never any grapes.
We've had. Amanda just learned something new today. How white wine and red wine is made. Even though all the grapes are red, the difference. Red wine is made with the whole grape, so when they harvest this, they crush the whole thing and they make it. But with white wine, they peel it. They only make it with the insides of it. Ding! You learn something new every day.
You're a good storyteller. I have no idea if you're right or wrong. Take your word for it.
It's great. I think it's a wasp digging through it now. Any different from the other ones?
No.
We have a bee in the car. So my car in the trunk has, in one of the the side panels of the inside of the car has an opening. So I think the bee went in there.
He did. I saw him. He didn't come out while I'm driving.
Yeah, the bees are good people, so we're good, I think. So the boys are doing something weird on this trail. They keep stopping and sniffing around. So maybe this trail is active of animals. We don't know. This is a short trail, but because of the terrain, so on our way to the end of the trail, we had to walk down the hill. And now we're climbing up. We're gonna be sore. And it's only 0.7 miles going, 0.7 back. So definitely tiring.
Well, I think that was a good hike. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
It was, I think in total 1.4 miles. We had to go in and then back. Pretty much the whole way there was like downhill, the whole way back was uphill. And it wasn't the easiest, but it also wasn't the hardest. It feels good once you're done.
Yeah.
You tired, boys? You have fun? Yeah, you have fun? It's funny, the boys are so different on the hike trail. Kalahari like runs way ahead of us and then he'll stop and wait. And then Toby, once he gets a little tired, he'll walk like in between the two of us and he constantly turns and looks to see where I am like every 10 feet. So, well, I think they will be tired and be sleeping while we go out. So
yeah.
We're heading back to the Airbnb now to shower and change, and then we're gonna go out into Tennessee to explore.
Alright guys, we came back home and refreshed. Now we're gonna go back, we're gonna go into Tennessee to go visit a winery over there and maybe see something interesting along the ways. Today's our last day. We're gonna go back home, and then after we arrive the following morning we are going to Arkansas. at my best friend's wedding. So yeah, for now.
Very sad day.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave, but it's been nice so far.
Yeah.
We're gonna go explore a part of Tennessee we've never been to, like that's more north. Real Podunk.
You have reached your destination on the right.
This is another winery we searched while we were in the area. Searching on Google. Ended up getting maybe.
It's like a fort, kind of, but a little different. This one's like red. The one I usually get here is white. It's really, really good, but they're out of it because I guess it's the end of the season, so won't be able to get it until next year.
Yeah. So we've been here before. This is our third time again. Sally Notch Vineyards in that's Madison, Tennessee. Madisonville, in Tennessee. One thing I like about this winery is the views, man. When we come out here, the vines are always like green and the grass is always green and whatever, but right now it's fall, so all the fall leaves are falling. Amanda has a bright idea of going in front of the barn. I guess she wants to take a picture there, so that's what we're heading to. This trip is kind of compressed because we have to travel to Arkansas right after we get back to Florida. We had to visit the places that we visited before. No, right now. This vineyard in particular is the newest of our discovery in this area. Last year. We found it after we searched on Google for wineries in Tennessee near Murphy, North Carolina. And we found Sally Notch Vineyards. We love it. Let's see, something over there. These are different. These are sweet.
Better?
Yeah. The other ones we were picking the other day are sour. We're gonna try it. Sweet, right?
Yeah. The sour part is the outside, but you haven't been eating the outsides.
Yeah.